Steven with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the duct exhaust assembly in the Samsung dryer. Tools needed are listed in the description below. Let's get started. The duct exhaust assembly is the long metal tube at the bottom of your dryer that connects the blower housing to your home's dryer ducting. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the dryer. On the back of the dryer, remove this screw holding the duct in place. Then, slide the exhaust assembly out. If you have a bad duct exhaust assembly and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag in your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. To install, slide the duct through the opening, align to the blower housing. If you're having trouble aligning or aren't sure if the duct is connected, use a flashlight to look through the duct and reinstall the screw. If the duct isn't properly connected to the blower housing, it won't exhaust properly and will cause excessive heat to build up inside the dryer. With everything put back together, plug the dryer in, test it out, make sure everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things, please consider subscribing.